Hi Scorpio, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com, and this is your monthly forecast for July 2012. Scorpios, we start this month with a very interesting transit. Mars is going to be transiting your 12th house. Now, your 12th house has had Saturn over there for about a year and a half to 2 years now, and Saturn being there in any house teaches its lessons of what that particular house signifies. Now, 12th house is a house which covers spirituality. It talks of everything that is beneath the surface. It also speaks of things which are happening in the background. It could also be either your subconscious mind, or you could have been involved in a research or a project which you may not be ready to talk about it now. It also speaks of heightened intuitions, dreams. In some cases, it may translate into either a long term hospitalization, finishing, or it could also have to do with some form of counseling that has been going on for some of you. Now, with Mars coming and activating this particular house, and Mars is a planet of passion, it is a planet which rules action, and it's a good energy to have, though it's not really a great energy to have this particular energy in the 12th house. So Mars is not really happy being in the 12th house is not really the best of the houses where Mars wants to be, because it's a quieter house. It's a house which is about contemplation, and Mars wants to get inside and he wants to just shake everything up, and it's a bit of a contrast. However, with Saturn now moving out of that house, there could be some realizations, some revelations about yourself which you were not aware about earlier, and you will be now very consciously be aware of things that you want in your life to stay and things you can do without. A lot of you will also be in the space where you would want to serve others, where you would want to help others. Mid month, however, there's a conjunct between Uranus and Pluto, and this basically cautions you to be a bit watchful of how you react or how you speak with somebody, particularly at your workplace. Uranus is a planet of chaos. It is a planet which covers suddenness. It is a planet which brings about certain amount of rashness and unpredictability with it. So you may have an explosive outburst mid-month. So just be careful of how it is that you are reacting to something which maybe a colleague or a boss has given you feedback, and you just sort of uh, won't lash out. I think it will be quite an outburst uh, kind of a thing. So watch out for that. It could also happen at a social place as well. It could be that some of you will realize that a particular friend whom you thought was a great friend has turned out uh, has turned out to be a fair weather friend, and it could also cause you to react in a particular way. This month, Scorpios, there's a lot of hard work that is indicated for you, and I think for the last 2 years, this is nothing new for you. You have become quite used to putting in your all. You are quite comfortable now to not just to know that it has to be your own uh, work that is going to be yielding results for you. So somewhere you are not only prepared for it, but you are quite you've quite accepted the fact that you have to really get into the grind, and then the results are going to be coming to you, which I think it's a great thing. With also there are various transits and there are various planets that are going retrograde. Very simply put it. It just requires a little bit more of hard work from your side, and I think a lot of you have, at least on your workplace, weathered the worst, so to speak, in the last 3 to 4 months. It may have been a little tough for some of you, but going forward now, all you need to do is just again put your head down and do what you're supposed to be doing. Also, take care of your health, Scorpios. It seems a lot of you are not getting good sleep, and ensure that at least you're getting about 7 to at least 8 hours of sleep every day. It is something which will correlate directly to your work. Your stress levels need to be really, really low, and all this will help you being in more productive and being more calmer, even where your personal relationships are concerned. So sleep and taking care of yourself mentally is very important. Stay calm, do things that you like doing. There is absolutely no need to be going out and socializing unnecessarily. I think a lot of you can do without it this month. So try and get off the treadmill, the social treadmill this month, and try and spend some alone time with yourself, nurture yourself. So whether it is locking yourself in the spa or whether it is just taking a book and lounging at home, do that. It would do you very good. I think your mind is what is really causing a lot of trouble for you. So you need to just calm it down a bit. Mid-month we have Mercury, which goes retrograde. Mercury is a planet of communication. It is also a planet that rules transport. So there could be some amount of a delay in communication. There could be some confusion as well as far as emails and SMSs are concerned. So be a bit careful of your communication, whether it is written, spoken, and try to be as specific as possible. Also, it is not a great time, Scorpios, to be initiating a new project or signing a new deal. However, if it is something that you have been working on for say about the last couple of months and the talks had got stalled, it is quite alright to renew those conversations now. However, working on something absolutely new is something which is not advised. The only reason being you may not have the complete details at this point of time. Not that anything drastic or anything bad would happen, but you may just realize later on that a certain information was it slipped your eye, or it could be just one of those things. Regarding the transport, there could be some delays, there could be some glitches as far as the transport is concerned. Try and recheck your travel schedules. Try and if you're in the process of buying a vehicle, ensure that again you have all the facts with you. This month, try and ensure that all your bikes and your cars are serviced properly. Mercury retrograde can cause a little bit of a vehicular and a transit chaos. Again, I said there's nothing really bad about a planet. It can just a retrograde just mean it'll just cause you some amount of a delay. Mid-month will also see you get very busy about wanting to present your ideas, wanting to share your thoughts, presentations with colleagues at your workplace. You seem to be brimming with ideas, and you will be feeling quite ambitious as well this month, Scorpio. You will be seeking appreciation, accolades at your work, Scorpios. There seems to be a sense of wanting to prove yourself at work, and I think a lot of you are in any case putting in a lot of hard work. So you shouldn't worry, don't stress over there. It will come to you. I think for some of you it could have already started starting June end. So it's a good thing. You just carry on doing the hard work that is getting into it. The accolades and all the credit and the appreciation that is due to you will come to you. The tarot message for you this month, Scorpios, is a card of Emperor. The card of Emperor symbolizes structure. It symbolizes worldly achievement. You may be on the verge of a promotion when you pull out this card. It could also mean that you have all that is required to be succeeding at your workplace. People will be looking up to you for direction at your workplace as well. Literally translated, it speaks of an authority figure or dealing with management. again at the workplace. In terms of career, it indicates that you prefer being the boss than an employee. In your personal life, it could relate to a person who's not too comfortable about sharing his or her own emotions. This person has been taught while growing up that it's not, either big boys don't cry or big girls don't cry, and is not willing to put his or her defenses down to be sharing their emotions with you. So, overall, a great month, Scorpios. Keep up the hard work. I'll see you again in August, and thank you so much for watching.